inside my home Saturday and Sunday because I didn't want to be out in it.
I understand. You need the big jackets for this time of year.
Yes.
We've got a little bit more cold coming our way, but not like we put up with this past weekend. The morning temperatures, that's where it's going to be cool. But as we get to the afternoons, a much better chance to perk those numbers way up. I think we've got a real good chance to see the upper 60s today. Maybe even a few spots give 70 a scare. Better chances to get to 70 the next couple. Notice as we get to tomorrow morning, not expected to get as low as the temperatures have been or even are this morning when we do have a few spots still near freezing. The bigger picture is going to continue to show mostly clear skies. We'll see if a few clouds come our way with a weak boundary trying to drop on in over the next 24 hours, but that one's not going to do much for us except maybe change the wind direction a little bit. We're at 34 right now in Thomasville. It's 35 degrees in Valdosta. We're at 36 in Tallahassee. So yeah, it's still cold outside for sure. Look at all the numbers around the region. Quincy's at 32, same in Blakely and Albany. So we've got some spots at freezing, but most of us are up above. Apalachicola, the warm spot right now at 42. I think we'll start to see more numbers that start with a 4 for morning lows going forward after today. The breeze fairly light and kind of variable. It'll be mostly from the north. Now, there's just enough breeze to notice with a couple of spots, temperatures in the low to mid 30s where there's a little tiny wind chill. So in Thomasville, it feels like 30. In Bainbridge, it feels like 33. We're not talking significant wind chills, but it's cold out there anyway. Now, as far as the overall setup goes, I don't see a lot going on for a couple of days. We call this pretty quiet weather, but the next system is going to be kind of an interesting one. Weak boundary sort of drifts through the area, and we'll get a little surge of warmer air. It's going to be a little bit more energy moving through the middle of the country. That's going to really help pull that next cold front through the area, and with that one being hooked onto some energy, well, now we get a better chance to trigger some more showers or storms. And unfortunately, the timing for that looks like Thursday night or Friday, of course, right when nobody wants it. We've got some time to work on that for you, and of course we will. And we'll see if there's going to be more than just some rain associated with that, and maybe we get a couple more stronger thunderstorms in the mix. So we've got things to watch for the second half of the week. But for the first half of the week, outdoor weather looks pretty nice. Winds on the Gulf today out of the northeast, 5 to 15, seas 1 to 3 feet. We'll put a light chop in the bays. A little bit better out there for the boaters, a lot less cold compared to where it was over the weekend. Looks like those low tides are first up starting around 7. 30s and 40s, bright, cold to get started. Sunrise, 7:33. Upper 60s this afternoon. That'll feel nice. Lots of sunshine. Should be a pretty nice outdoor day. Upper 30s and low 40s tonight. A little bit more mild, a little less cold compared to where it's been, so we'll call it cool. But it's still going to be a, bigger jacket kind of weather for another day or so. It's late December, of course. And then we get to Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, where I think we got a real good chance to get up over 70 each day. Now, we're going to keep those daytime highs up. I think a little surge of warmer air comes before that next shot at showers gets here. But it does look like it could be a soggy start to the new year. Got plenty to keep our eyes on with that next system for the second half of the week. But that's the second half of the week.